case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2001, the Louisiana Court of Appeal heard the case of Miller v. 7Cs Properties, LLC, which centered around the concept of co-owners seeking reimbursement for necessary expenses incurred in property preservation, as stated in Article 806 of the Louisiana Civil Code. Pierre Valcourt Miller, a co-owner of a property in Louisiana, filed a lawsuit against his fellow co-owners, pursuing reimbursement for repairs to the levees surrounding their shared property. The trial court initially dismissed the case, citing no cause of action. Miller appealed this decision, and the case was reversed and remanded. The court considered whether a declaratory judgment in such an instance could help resolve legal uncertainties and insecurity. After evaluating the criteria for a justiciable controversy under Louisiana law, it was determined that Miller's petition met the necessary standard. As a result, the court decided to reverse the case and remand it for further proceedings, upholding Miller's claim for declaratory relief. The trial court's dismissal of the case was deemed inappropriate, as a declaratory judgment could ultimately resolve uncertainties over the repairs and prevent any non-reimbursable actions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.